Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize images in Canva. So you can start by adding the image to a blank canvas like this. And if you want to resize, for example, you want the image to fit into the canvas, you can just right click and click on set image as background, and it will automatically crop or fit into the canvas. But if you want to crop it into another size, you can just click on the image and you'll see this buttons here on each of the edges of the image. You can just hold it and drag it down like this, for example, and you can do the same at the bottom and it will be cropped just like that. You can also crop it here at the side, left or right, just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.